this video, I'm going to teach you about the importance of oils. We can use castor oil and essential oils to support our health journey. So if you are, particularly if you are bloated, you're not digesting well, maybe you're a little bit constipated, then these oils can really help to move things along and get you making progress. So this video is about castor oil and essential oils. Castor oil is amazing. It's from the castor bean plant. It actually used to be called Palmist Christi, the healing palm of Christ. Now, this is a very ancient technique. You can use this very thick, vibrant oil. And what you'll want to do with this is make sure that you're wearing some clothes that you don't mind getting dirty, because you're not going to wash out the oil. You've got a castor oil packing cloth. This is a muslin cloth. And this is actually really quite soaked with oil. I've had it for years. It's not something that I wash out. It's something that I keep and I reuse. Now, all you need to do with this is get yourself a nice big bottle of castor oil in dark glass. Is the best, organic, fantastic, but cold pressed castor oil. It's not expensive. Have a look at my website. And you'll be drizzling this cloth with oil, a fair bit of oil. I'm not going to put a lot on there because mine's already really wet, as you can see from my hands. And then what you would do is choose an old t-shirt or an old tank top or something, because you don't want to get it, you're going to get it grubby, but you're not going to wash it out. Now this will go around the liver area and the gallbladder. So this is the lower right-hand side of the rib cage, and this is bringing high vibrational energy to the liver. It's like taking a dirty dishcloth and giving it a good squeeze, a good wring it out. It's bringing light and energy to a sluggish liver, which is really important when you're struggling with your hormones and you're struggling with bloating. Now you can put this over the rib cage. Now I've actually got I've got a packing cloth that I got made many years ago. It's Velcro, and I actually put the cloth inside that and I wrap that around my entire body. You could use Velcro, you could use cling film, you could even use an old lady's 80s clubbing belt that you might have lying around, but a bit of Velcro, something to hold it on. Now, you're going to put this on for no longer than an hour, and I like to do it while I'm doing something else, like walking the dog or doing my housework. You can also, if you really need a rest, to lay down, apply the oil, apply the packing cloth, and put a hot water bottle on top. It's very reassuring, very, very nice. And that's going to help decongest the liver, which is going to help you overcome that sluggish feeling and that bloated feeling. So that's one technique. I also want to tell you about essential oils. There's two oils that I will use a lot in this program. Digestion, or Zengest as it's called in the UK, and peppermint oil. Now these oils are from doTERRA. They're my absolute favorites. And just doing one drop of Zengest on your tummy, rubbing it in clockwise, can be really supportive for bloating and constipation. And also if you've got that after Christmas lunch type feeling of too full, or you've eaten the wrong combinations of food, then that can be really supportive. It's the tummy taming blend and it can be very good for self-massage. Peppermint, amazing if you struggle with headaches or any sort of neck tension, throat tension. And again, it can be very energizing. So you can, have one drop in the palm of your hand and do the human diffuser and just smell that. Or you could rub it onto your neck, onto your forehead, onto your belly. And you could also put one drop in your water, which tastes amazing. And it's like nature's espresso. It's very invigorating and a really good coffee replacement. So they're two oils that I really suggest that you get, as well as castor oil and an old, castor oil packing cloth. Even an old flannel will do. This is quite large, so it will cover a large area. It's a nice organic muslin cloth. But look, even if you had an old piece of flannel handy, you could use that, all right? But it's not something you're going to wash out, and I encourage you to store it away when you're not using it in a plastic bag, because it's going to get quite oily. All right, hopefully you've enjoyed these tips. They're going to help you with bloating. They're going to help improve those unwanted detox symptoms that you might experience while doing the program.